breakdown and stabbed his roommate. The victim.
Serving the Lord and doing so with all our heart.
Fortunately, this formidable enemy is still confined to a comparatively small area, and we may place our faith in the military forces to keep them there. In the meantime, placing our faith in God, we must continue the performance of our duties, each and every one of us, so that we may confront this destructive adversary with a nation united, courageous, and consecrated to the preservation of human supremacy on this earth. I thank you.
You have just heard the Secretary of the Interior speaking from Washington.
That's how in 1938 people were listening to the news in America. This is Fairbanks Morse Radio from 1937. All original parts with the exception of capacitors, which were changed, and it was upgraded for use with a Bluetooth or external jack for the amplification. This particular model called Skyscraper. The Bluetooth module is powered by 3 AA batteries in the little box, and it's mounted with Velcro, non-invasive way. If you unplug the mini jack, it becomes radio again, or you can use it as an external amplifier for guitar, for example. For the radio, it needs antenna. It doesn't have ferrite antenna inside the box, so I used a 15-foot copper wire for that purpose.
School system. Now, Johnson wants a one.
Things that can happen, like, do you eat sushi? Do you medium rare steak?
You know, people can pick and choose those risks. It is personal preference. I'd say when I do handle in my kitchen, yeah, I'm pretty safe.
Okay.
Wash my hands, wash the utensils, and I don't.
And finally, guitar test. It's amazing how this 90 years old radio still brings joy to the world.